What is a German with the service cost of a Maruti, the comfort of a sedan, and the practicality of an SUV? Ladies and gentlemen, the Skoda Slavia. Now, this is not a brand new car, it is a 20,000 kilometer run, 6-month old unit, and it is a top spec style 1 liter turbo manual variant. Now, before jumping to how it fares after 20,000 kilometers, let's do a quick design overview of this car. Design wise, it is a typical Skoda and it looks like an Octavia from certain angles, which obviously is a good thing because the Octavian itself is a great car. Coming closer, you get this signature Skoda grille, which is large in size, and when you come closer, you see the dual horns of Skoda. Overall, the front has a nice design to it, and when you come to the side profile, you look at the length of it. Now, of course, the length does translate to a lot of space on the inside, more on that later. Coming to the rear profile of it, I particularly like the quarter view. It looks like a great premium German car. More in the rear is the spacious boot that opens with a remote and unlocks 500 liters of boot space, maybe even more. Now, the closing procedure of it obviously is manual, and this is when you feel the German heaviness of this car. Another thing to like about this are the alloy wheels, of course. This is a great design, and then is the wide rubber 205 section, which quite complements the ride. एक और पॉजिटिव जो जनरली आपको जर्मन कार्स में नहीं मिलता इस सेगमेंट में is the space. Long wheelbase of this car lends it a lot of space on the inside. There's a lot of legroom, and there's of course smart elements like this of typical Skoda cars. The comfort gets even better with these nicely bolstered seats, which keep you cushioned on the inside. What makes you even more comfortable is the heavy build of this car, which translates to a 5-star global NCAP rating. फ्रंट में आपको मिल जाता है एस्थेटिकली अपीलिंग डिजाइन विद पियानो ब्लैक फिनिशेस ऑल राउंड एंड ग्रेट मटेरियल क्वालिटी एंड फीचर्स वाइज आपको इस गाड़ी में मिल जाता है डिजिटल ड्राइवर डिस्प्ले, अ ग्रेट टच स्क्रीन, अ मैसिव सनरूफ, एंड इसमें आपको मिल जाती है इलेक्ट्रिकली एडजस्टेबल फ्रंट सीट्स विद वेंटिलेशन एंड अदर थिंग्स लाइक रेन सेंसिंग वाइपर्स, ऑटो हेडलैम्प्स, एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा. Now, introduction, I said that this car has the service cost of a Maruti. Now, why I say that is because the owner reports that Skoda has started service packages of this car, जिसमें आपको 75,000 किलोमीटर तक सर्विसिंग पे आपको डिस्काउंट्स मिलते हैं एंड इट इज प्रैक्टिकली फ्री. Now, free for most part includes the oil changes and labor cost, etc. Now, of course, अगर आप कोई बड़ा काम कराते हैं तो उसके चार्जेस अलग से लगते हैं, लेकिन this is a great way of breaking the stereotypes by Skoda and I definitely appreciate that. Now, apart from this, गाड़ी के ओनर के एक्सपीरियंस एक typical Skoda ओनर वाला है, and in this he praises the safety, the security, the stability, the comfort and the performance of this car. Now, this is also why I love this car because इस गाड़ी में आपको comfort मिल जाता है Skoda वाला, इस गाड़ी में आपको safety मिल जाती है Skoda वाली. I have driven this car and I love the acceleration of this. I love the handling of this. And I also love the fact that the owner is happy with the service experience of this car. Honestly, if you are an enthusiast and you were always scared about the service cost of a Skoda, this is a great car that can help you beat the stereotypes and start a journey with a car that is extremely comfortable, extremely fun to drive, and will not burn a hole in your pocket. Now, of course, nothing in this world is perfect and same goes for this car. इस गाड़ी में आपको थोड़ी खामियां मिल जाती है. नंबर वन इसके एसी में थोड़े इश्यूज आ सकते हैं, एंड अगर आप ये गाड़ी यूज खरीदते हैं तो आपको इस गाड़ी के फर्स्ट बैचेस में थोड़ा सा रिलायबिलिटी इशू आ सकता है विद द फ्यूल पंप इशूज. उसके अलावा current owners are not reporting a lot of bad things about this car. The reliability of this car is seemingly great. The only fault of this car that I can find across all the cars is the 3-cylinder engine. Now, the TSI engine is extremely great, extremely powerful, extremely fun to drive. But गाड़ी का इंजन थोड़ा ज़्यादा नॉइजी है, थोड़ा वाइब्रेशन फील होता है. Not like a Tata, not like a Tata. ये वाइब्रेशंस आपको कभी भी अनकंफर्टेबल नहीं करेंगे, लेकिन they will be there. They will tell you that the car is running. But yeah, apart from that, perfect car. If you are an enthusiast, this is the perfect car for you. That's it. If you are someone जिसने chauffeur driven गाड़ी लेनी है, even the back seat of this car is decent, but इस segment में आपको better options मिल जाते हैं in the form of the Honda City.